Modern science, 1500 AD, an approximation on the timeline of emergence. What new concept has science firmly established within society? Cannot ignore what we see, what we observe. What does the conceptual framework of modern science have to offer us? Copernicus, Nicholas, 1473 to 1543, architect of the heliocentric theory of the solar system. Dictionary of Philosophy and Religion, William L. Rees, page 140. You cannot ignore what you see. And with this idea, a new understanding developed. We were not the center of the universe. With this announcement, modern science took its place as one more means by which we, as individuals, as a species, were able to understand our position, our purpose, our perceptions of what we are. Modern science brought us the realization that we cannot ignore what we see. Ptolemy's idea of the earth being the center of the heavens had been accepted for over 1400 years. Copernicus made this idea a thing of the past. The earth, which humankind claimed as its home, was no longer understood to be the center of the universe. Humankind was no longer at the center. The sun was now assumed to be the center. But science was not going to stop there. Science would proceed to move the center of the universe even further from Earth. As time progressed, science learned our sun was far from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Science would teach us our sun was only one of the millions upon millions of stars making up this galaxy. Our galaxy would then lose its proximity to the center of the universe as we discovered the existence of millions upon millions of other galaxies, all similar to our own, that being spiral. Millions of galaxies, trillions of stars. Science was expanding our universe, and with it, expanding our understanding of the size of the causative force. Modern science was offering each of us humility. Humility is the state of being humble, not proud. It was the Christians that believe people are to live with a wholeheartedness which excludes pride of any kind. Even so, it was to be the Christians that were to have the greatest difficulty accepting the idea that man was not the center of creation. Even today, we have not let go of the idea that we are somehow the center. We will not let go of being the center until we understand our significance is not tied to being the center of things. What does the conceptual framework of modern science imply about the universe within which we live? Modern science leads to the understanding that the universe is big, really big, in comparison to the human body. Size becomes an idea of our universe that we think we are beginning to understand. We realize we are not the center of this huge quantity of space within which we exist. Space in fact, appears so vast, we have a sense of loss in terms of understanding just where we are within it. We don't know where we are in the universe. With this statement, questions come rushing in. Where is the center of the universe? How big is the universe? Does the universe have a boundary? Can we step through the boundary? Are we confined to the universe? Are there other universes? Are there parallel universes? Are there non-parallel universes? Are there other life forms scattered throughout the heavens? Are there other life forms within other universes? Why do we exist in this universe? Why does the universe exist? Will the universe expand to the point of breaking its boundary and explode? Will the universe ever dissolve? What lies outside the universe? How big is whatever lies beyond our universe? Did something create the universe? Did the universe have a beginning? How will the universe end? Does the universe have a purpose? If the universe has no purpose, why does it exist? If the universe has purpose, what is it? Why do we exist in the universe? Do we have any significant impact upon the universe as a whole? Do we have significance to what may lie beyond the universe? The questions go on and on. Modern science has not brought us to the end of questions. Modern science has brought us to the beginning of understanding why we need religion. Modern science has brought us to the beginning of understanding why we need religion. Modern science clearly demonstrates just how insignificant we are in terms of the space the universe occupies. This space seems to go on forever, and we as individuals seem to occupy so little of it. We need faith more than ever before. We need religion now more than ever. Without religion, we will lose hope in the vastness of space. Modern science reinforces the need for religion as a path for us to follow. I would add, otherwise, it simply would not exist, to the dismay of some atheists.